Hello guys, so welcome to KO tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the lighting of this particular kitchen over here. So let's continue it. So I'll just render it and see now. So as you can see, so the light is illuminating from the window over here. So let's set up a basic camera over here. So I'll just go over here and press Ctrl C to place up a camera. Let's go into the material. Press M. Let's go into this and get material, and I'll take a Vray HDRI. So we can just take an HDRI over here. Oops. Okay. So let's call the HDRI material over here. Let's go into the downloads and assign an HDRI material. So let's go into this and I'll assign an HDRI material over here. Now, once it is done, I'll make it as spherical over here. Let's go into rendering and I'll clear this V-Ray sky. I'll assign. Let's go into rendering and let's render it once again. Let's take one more light. I'll assign one more light over here. So I'll just duplicate it slightly. I'll slightly shuffle it inside, resize it, and reduce the intensity of this light. Let's go over here. Okay, I'll select this, go into the no map, and if you want I can just take a VL sky or a color correction map. Just drag this over here. Let's render it once again. I can slightly change the hue shift, slightly work with the brightness. So as you can see now, as I change the hue shift and the brightness, it's going to change over here. Now alright, if needed we can use that. Slightly reduce the brightness, increase the contrast, again render it. Slightly increase the multiplier. Let's render it once again. select this. Let's go into the material. I'll drag this map over here. I can easily drag the map if required, and for this light, if you don't need it, I can easily just remove it, and if you want we can add a V-ray sky, but it might make it more of a whitish color. Just drag this here, instance, and turbidity and all, we can work with that. Oops. Sun turbidity, it's burning. Okay, 2 will be the minimum. So if you want to go with it, we can go with this, not a problem. Sun invisible, still burning. Filter color, I can slightly check this sun intensity multiplier. I can slightly reduce it. It's going towards more of orangish. Now what I can do over here is like, so now you can change the filter color as well. So it's going to be very different. It's better I'll just remove this V-ray sky. I'll render it once again. Slightly reduce the intensity of it. So let's select this light. Let's select the Vray Sun. Let's go into rendering, go into render setup, and we'll do some changes over here. So I'll again go into this. I'll change the noise threshold, local subdivisions, and in the environment section I can just drag this HDRI map, much better. Color mapping, we can go with HSV exponential, or we'll keep it as exponential over here. Much better. Light cache. So the light over here is a bit lesser, so we can add some more light. So I can just duplicate that. Push it up. Let's render it. If you want, we can make the intensity a bit higher. That's totally okay. Alright. It's becoming very darker. Much better. Alright. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel if you're not subscribed yet. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.